How to replace the optical drive. Before you begin, remove the side panel. Removal. Disconnect the SATA data and power cables from the optical drive. Press the green drive release latch at the rear of the optical drive and slide the optical drive out through the front of the unit. If you're installing a new optical drive, pull the green drive release latch off of the optical drive. Insert a straightened paper clip or other similar tool into the force-eject hole on the optical drive to eject the drive tray. Pry and push out on the tabs, securing the bezel to the optical drive, and remove the bezel from the drive. Replacement. If you're installing a new optical drive, the optical drive bezel has several tabs that fit into slots on the front of the optical drive. Press the bezel from the old optical drive onto the new optical drive until the tabs are secured. There are 3 small pins on the green drive release latch that fit into 3 small holes on the side of the optical drive. Press the latch pins into their holes to secure the latch to the new optical drive. Slide the optical drive into its drive bay through the front of the unit until the green release latch clicks into place. Reconnect the SATA power and data cables to the optical drive.